Understanding the air quality forecast. A breath of fresh knowledge. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all but might be a bit perplexing for English language learners: the air quality forecast. Whether you're stepping outside for a morning jog or just opening a window, knowing about the air quality forecast can help you make healthier choices. So, let's clear the air on this subject and make it as breathable as our atmosphere should be. First things first, let's talk about air quality. Air quality refers to how clean or polluted the air is. Various factors like emissions from vehicles, factories, dust, pollen, and wildfires can affect it. The cleaner the air, the healthier it is for us to breathe. Conversely, polluted air can cause health problems, especially for children, the elderly, and those with respiratory conditions. Now, onto the main event, the air quality forecast. This forecast predicts how clean or polluted the air will be in a specific area and time, much like a weather forecast predicts rain or sunshine. It's usually given for the next day or even for the same day. This information is crucial for planning outdoor activities, especially for sensitive groups. At the heart of the forecast is the Air Quality Index, AQI. The AQI is a scale that runs from 0 to 500, where lower numbers mean better air quality and higher numbers mean worse air quality. This scale is color-coded from green, good, to maroon, hazardous, making it easier to understand at a glance. The AQI helps you know when to take precautions, like staying indoors or wearing a mask. So, how can you use the air quality forecast to your advantage? Check the forecast regularly, especially if you plan to be outdoors for a long time. If the AQI is high, you might want to reschedule outdoor activities or take protective measures like wearing a mask. This is especially important for people with asthma or other respiratory issues. There you have it, a breath of fresh knowledge on the air quality forecast. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of air quality and how you can use the forecast to breathe easier. Remember, staying informed helps protect your health and the health of those around you. Thank you for watching, and breathe easy until our next video.